I'm going for a run. It's 6:20, which means it's really 5:20 back home. But let's go for a run. You know, guys, it's really nice because there's literally nobody out here. So, running this place, pretty cool. It's so nice. This is where I came this morning. I stood right there. Bro, this is so cool. It's like a little mini beach. Bro, I really wish I could drink some water right now. It's this little private spot right off of the path. And you get a mini beach. And there's another beach over there. It's called Eagle Beach. But yeah, this whole island just runs all off of hotels and restaurants. It's so cool. Alright, let's start running back. There was this couple was like, can you do a flip for us? I was like, I can't do one. I would if I could, trust me. But yeah, I just went on these rocks. It was like a castle right here. Like, look at it. It's so gorgeous. Crazy. Took a picture. So pretty.
Here for your pancakes.
Oh yeah.
You want me to get you some?
Get a dozen.
Today, we're riding jet skis. We're getting yelled at not to go too far. like this. And it burns the thighs. The abs, everything. Everything. Also, a fish almost swam up my shorts. And it was like brushing up all against my legs. Nah, bro. We're back from the beach. We're all getting dressed and ready and showered. And then we're gonna head to dinner for a nice on the ocean sunset dinner. Groovy like a drive-in movie, mate. Repping the merch. If you want some of my shirts, there's a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. Check out the back of the shirt. Yeah. Go check it out. These shirts are awesome. And it's a positive message. Go get one. Alright, go again. To another fabulous day.
Cheers.
In paradise. The sun setting in the background. Sorry. Alright guys, I'm heading back to go work out. Jimmy's doing craps. And yeah, I just thought my stomach's a bit full, so I need to go like, you know, work some stuff off. So I'll go work out. What better way? Alright, it is 8:50 right now. Just got to the gym. And we hitting it hard today. Some of you guys might think that I'm like crazy for working out on vacation, but A, it helps with my mentality, and B, it gives me some time to mentally think what I want to do with my life, with my goals for my career, with what I want to do, with what I'm creating for YouTube. It gives me time to think. It gives me time to manifest what I really want. It's the best time. You know, guys, it's funny because 3 years ago, when I came to work out at this gym with my brother, I couldn't lift my legs up. I had to go half up. I can go full up now. Bro, she acting like that's hard. Little 2-pound weights. Jeez, man. Had to be doing like 100 reps for that to start hurting. I'm back in the hotel room, downloading some of my footage that I caught today because I caught it on 3 cameras. I try really hard not to do that, but sometimes it just turns out that way. Now, I'm kind of bouncing on the beds because it's fun. Ooh,